Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you powerful free AI tools you must try today. These tools can save your time and make your work easier. So let's get started. The first tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can answer questions and generate ideas. You can use it to write content, emails, or homework. Just type your question and it gives you instant answers. It is simple and very useful for beginners. The second tool is Canva. Canva helps you create beautiful designs in minutes. You can create thumbnails, posters, and social media posts. Even beginners can use Canva without design skills. It also has many free templates. The third tool is CapCut. CapCut is a simple video editing tool for mobile users. You can edit videos, add subtitles, and create professional videos. Many creators use CapCut because it is easy and fast. These were 3 powerful free AI tools you should try today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more AI tools videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.